Chicken Kofta Meatball Curry, guys. The best chicken meatball curry recipe is here. My name is Mair. You're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel, guys. This is our 2 pound of chicken ground. So this is a breast meat which is ground. If you have a food processor, take a whole breast, one fillet or couple fillets and make this meat. So this is all grounded chicken. So it goes right here in our marination bowl. Guys, we will marinate this. It's not marinated. We need to give flavor to our chicken koftas, right? The meatballs, we have to give the flavor. Food processor, it's been pretty badly used. You guys can tell, right? The first thing I'm adding here, I'm taking one whole medium-sized onion. I'll just slice it from the middle. Half slice goes in our food processor. It goes in here. Just like that. Other half we will put it on the side. We will definitely use this in a curry. This is 2 pounds, so we will take at least 4 cloves of fresh garlic. If you have jalapeno, use that. If not, regular green chilies. It's a kofta, right? A little bit spicy touch to it. 4 of the green chilies. If you have 1 jalapeno, use 1. It goes in here. Half tablespoon of cumin. Put in the same processor, it's all fine. Whole coriander seeds, half tablespoon, goes in here. Carom seed, right? Half tablespoon. Let's process this. So this is what we end up with. Perfect. This is what we need. Grab this mixture, all of it, and we will add this right here on top of our ground chicken. The onion. Whew. 1 whole tablespoon of salt. It goes right here. Half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Okay, 1 whole egg goes in here. All right, guys, let's just mix this up now. This mixture, it's too soft. We need this mixture to be a little bit on the harder side. So you can add gram flour, 1 spoon in here, or you can do cornstarch. I'm using cornstarch. I'm adding at least 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch in here. It will help us with the binding. So this is the secret they use at the restaurants. After all the mixing, without using a mixer for this, it took 5 minutes just to mix everything up. This is the texture we are ending up with. It's thicker, it's good. This is what we need. Alright guys, so our meatball marination is done. We will just put this right now on the side, and now we will work on our curry base, right? The best ever curry for our Chicken Kofta Meatball Curry. Alright, for the curry, we will take our blender juicer, and this is our pot and pan. This is 2-in-1. It's on the stove on high flame. We will add at least 12 to 15 tablespoons of oil. You can use ghee, you can use butter. I prefer olive oil actually, so this is olive oil. Half of the remaining onion, remember we had it. Just rough dice it, put it in here. 40 grams of fresh ginger. Remove the bad parts. Yeah, of course. Just dice it and add in here 4 of the garlic cloves, and we will add it right here for the curry base. Add half cup of water in here, as we always do, right? Just to blend these guys. All right, this is all the blend for the onion, garlic, and ginger, and half cup of water. We will add this all in here. It's liquidy, it's all fine. We have to saute this liquid now at least for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare some fresh tomatoes in here as well. We will add it in a minute. So let's saute this mixture first. It's been 5 minutes. Our onion, garlic, and ginger has been sauteed. If you guys see, we don't need to change the color. We just need to slightly cook this. Right, we will take the same blender. We will take 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and we will just add this right here, right, and we will blend it. Same thing, use the same jar. You don't have to rinse it, it's okay. They all are making one good flavor. Take a look on our meatballs right now. This is the mixture. It's just sitting in on the room temperature right now. Okay, so 2 tomatoes goes here. It's awesome. All right, let's blend this. This is the 2 tomato blend, a smoothie. Goes all in here. It's watery. This is what we need. We need a little bit water in here. All right, at this time, just give it a mix. And you know what you have to do? You'll take turmeric powder, half tablespoon. It goes right here. It's a curry, right? You have to give a little bit flavors of the curry in here. And this is red chili powder, half tablespoon. Okay, this is not actually super spicy. This is mildly spicy. And half tablespoon of regular table salt. Mix this up. We will bring it to boil. Once we bring it to boil, we are making our delicious chicken kofta meatballs, and we will be landing that right in here. You guys see it's boiling, and this is our meatball marinade. The first thing, grab water in a bowl. Just have a layer of water on your hand. Yes, you grab the meat. See, it's not too soft and it's holding itself. This is what we need. Once you make a biteable size, just land it right here in a pan. And take a look here, guys. This is the last one. This is the 8th one of the 2 pounds of ground chicken, right? So you can use an ice cream scooper if you want, but as an old school chef, we like to use our hands, right? So 8 beautiful chicken kofta meatballs are right here. Let it cook. Let it the way it is. Don't put the lid on right now. Just let it cook at least for 10 minutes. So it gets the base. Look at here, it's been 10 minutes. All we have to do now, flip our meatballs. Look at this binding, man. It looks so good. They are so perfectly intact. I like that. This is chicken breast white meat. A delicious chicken kofta meatball recipe is here. I'm just not using any other spoon, just same regular spoon, and I'm just flipping them, you know? So easy. Look at this. If you want to go with the thermometer, again, put the thermometer in your meatball and make sure at the end it reaches the temperature of above 165 Fahrenheit, right? So for now, it's on the medium. We'll cover it with the lid and let it cook, low to medium flame, okay? Let it cook for 10 more minutes, and I'll see you after 10 more minutes. Well, guys, it's been exactly 20 minutes of our chicken kofta meatballs, right? So here you go. The lid is off. Let's give it a good mix now. Regular tomato sauce, we need that just to make the curry a little bit thick and a little bit tomatoey flavor to it. So we will add at least 100 grams of tomato sauce in here. So here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, and here it goes. We'll let it simmer, okay? Let this whole mixture simmer at least for 10 more minutes. So the whole time frame for cooking meatballs in the sauce, it's 30 minutes. So the last 5 minutes left, my friend. I have chopped some fresh onion. We'll pick up the lid. Yes, sir, it looking good. All right, 2 spring onions, and just add this right here. I've actually turned off the stove. This is what you can do. But this is all perfectly fine now. The way it is, let it just sit, let it just relax, and I'll see you when it's completely done now. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes. Altogether it took me around 45 to 50 minutes to make this chicken kofta meatball curry, right? Wow man, it's looking delicious. Check out the colors. Look at these big meatballs, man. This is what we are talking about. These are our meatballs. Wow, it's fully cooked. I can tell by the timing. So here is our first guy. I'll put it right next to the rice. I'll put at least 3-4, so they're gonna look good with our rice. So this is a whole dish. You can make these rice, put in a rice cooker. It's so easy to make. So wonderful looking dish, huh? Let's cut it all the way from the middle. Wow man, this is all white meat chicken. Some sauce with it. Here you go. First bite. It's hot, but here you go. Everything is just settling. Chicken kofta meatball recipe is here. Make this curry. It's very easy. You guys saw that, right? Wow. And bye-bye for now. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and make this recipe. Let me enjoy this feast, right? These are all the seasoning we used, right? In here, right here. For the chicken breast and some jasmine rice.